I'm Susan. Today I am trying out a new cake. It's called a Honeybun Cake and it's made with a cake mix and a few other ingredients that's thrown in. It sounds really good and delicious and I can't wait to see what it tastes like. So without further ado, let's get started. For our cake, we've got 1 box of yellow cake mix, 2/3 cup of vegetable oil, 4 eggs, and 1 cup, 8 ounces, 1 cup of sour cream. To a large bowl, you want to add your cake mix, your oil, your eggs, and your sour cream. And you want to start off with it on low speed and beat it for 30 seconds and then 2 minutes on medium speed. For our filling, we've got 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/3 cup of chopped pecans, and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. While my cake's mixing, I want to combine my brown sugar, my pecans, and my cinnamon, and I just mixed it up with a fork really well. Now I've had my oven preheating at 350 degrees and I've sprayed my 9x13 baking dish with the spray that's got the flour in it. And I'm going to add half of my cake batter to this baking dish. Now you want to spread it out really well all across the bottom. Now you want to sprinkle your filling over the top of your cake batter. And now you just want to spread the rest of your batter over the top of the filling. Now the recipe said to bake it for 44 to 48 minutes or until golden brown. It only took about 30 to 35 minutes in my oven. For our glaze, we've got 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. While your cake is warm out of the oven, you want to mix your powdered sugar, your milk, and your vanilla and make a glaze. You want your glaze to be very thin, and it wasn't enough milk, so I ended up having to add a little bit more milk to mine to get it the right consistency. Now with a fork, you want to poke holes all over your cake. And then you want to pour your glaze and spread it evenly over the top. Now let it cool completely. And here's how it turned out. All right, it looks good. It is good. I love the cinnamon that's in there and the nuts. And the cake is so moist. I guess it's from the sour cream. It's definitely a keeper. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time,